What's up everybody and welcome to this latest video of mine. No, it's been a while, sorry about that, but I've been really busy once again. I feel like I'm saying that every second video, but I guess that's where I'm at in my life at the moment. Got a lot of stuff to do and that means that I don't have a lot of time for this hobby of mine. And related to me being busy, as you can see there's something missing here. That's where I had my bookshelf. We disposed of it because we will be moving soon. But anyways, enough about that. Let me show you something new that I bought. So, I don't know how to put it in the video. It's heavy, it's big. But I'm overdoing it. It's not that heavy, but it is pretty large. That's this here. It doesn't even fit into the frame. Can you see it? This is my new widescreen monitor for my computer. And there's two reasons I bought this specific one. One, it's a great gaming screen. It does have G-Sync, which paired with my Nvidia graphics card will allow for a smoother experience while gaming. And it does have a nice resolution, which still isn't 4K. That means that my graphics card can actually handle it. Or well, I haven't tested it yet, but I do assume that my graphics card can handle it. But another reason is also this, for video editing. At the moment I'm using a weird setup. You've probably seen it in other videos. I think, wait a second, I'll show it to you. So that's my current setup. I have two screens at the moment. The problem is that, focus. The problem is that those are two different screens. They don't even have the same size. They don't have the same color. Fucking focus. You know what? I'll move back and I'll talk about the screens in another room. As I was trying to say, but the focus was messing it up because it's very dark in there. The screen on the left I bought for gaming purposes, but the thing is that the colors on the screen are pretty bad. The colors are very washed out and also not very accurate, which means that color grading is pretty difficult. I mean, always when I edit the video and I watch it back on my phone in the end, I always see how the colors are completely different from what I expected when I edited the videos. And the screen on the right does have crisper colors, but they are also not very accurate. They seem to be a bit more magenta than the screen on the left. It was just annoying to do color grading with two screens. So I decided to get a widescreen so that I can use one single screen for everything. So I looked for a screen that has an IPS panel, is good for gaming, but also has accurate colors and a good sRGB coverage. And I think this is the best screen that I found for those purposes. Well, now let's open it. I have actually no idea how I will do it, and my wife is naked at the moment, so I have to stop the video for now. Alright, welcome to this very weird angle, but I don't think that you have to see my face while I do this unboxing. I mean, I think I'm an idiot. Bought the screen, I'm unboxing it now, and in June I'll have to pack it in again to carry it to the next apartment. Oh well, whatever. Still, I think I'm gonna enjoy it. So what do we have here? This is the stand, the power cord, probably some protective stuff for the back. Power adapter seems to be up to 120 watts. Damn, the screen needs a lot of power. It does come with an HDMI cable and, more importantly, a DisplayPort cable. So this is the actual stand. Alright. It's lighter than I thought, actually. So, this is the screen. It's beautiful, isn't it? Oh, I'm so looking forward to using it. So, now I have to find out how to put it together. Let me turn it around and show you how it looks. Ooh, almost broke it. beautiful, isn't it? Yes, it is. Alright, I have finished setting up the screen, the monitor, however you want to call it, and this is how it looks now. I've also started a little demo. This is just on YouTube. The screen is not color calibrated, of course, but as you can see, there's even some weird lights below. I know I can turn them off, but I've left them on for now. And this is how a white screen looks like. This is of course just a game demo, but still. And it even seems like the monitor does have some built-in speakers. I didn't know that. Not like I'm gonna use them, but that's pretty interesting. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'm gonna set the screen up, and I think in the future I'll tell you if it really improved my color grading and video processing abilities. Right, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. I don't know when, but who cares about the schedule? I'll just upload stuff when I feel like, right? Right, see you.